Jamaica Premier League playoff continues to gather steam, we're seeing the excitement mount with community-based teams, Arnett Gardens, Firehouse, and the still to come Mount Pleasant continuing to roll out thousands and thousands of fans from across the respective communities. My mind flashed back to the narrative about a franchise system for the Jamaica Premier League and how challenging it would have been not just to get the franchises financed, but to sacrifice that direct link between the clubs and the communities. Put it this way, it would prove culturally challenging to our football. The Premier League product continues to grow primarily around the power of these community clubs and their droves of fans. I mean, think about it. It would never be the same to call the Junglists from Arnett Gardens the South St. Andrew Saints, or to refer to Firehouse as the West St. Andrew Warriors, or to refer to Mount Pleasant or Stush in the Bush as the St. Anne Titans. My case is rested.